Food is what everyone needs to eat. We all need to eat vegetables and fruit if we want to be healthy. And who grows that food, who's in charge of those businesses, can really shape what our future looks like.
My name is James Pateris. I'm the owner, director and creator of Modular Farms Australia, which is a vertical farming business based in Brisbane.
I'm Navin Naika, founder and CEO of Agritech Entrepreneurship. We're a Melbourne-based startup, and we are currently working on a new agritech solutions that hopefully will fit both Earth and space at the same time.
I knew that what my family had been doing for the last 30 years was not sustainable in terms of using chemicals on broadacre cropping and growing for the ever increasing population growth that we're seeing.
We have a huge population increase, and on top of that we have climate change. And I think the third biggest issue is limited resources.
So what led me to create Modular Farms and the problems that we're solving was basically to reduce food miles, increase the ability to buy local food, reduce the amount of food that we see on our shelves which have chemicals sprayed on them. We're also able to reduce food waste.
Well, the agriculture that our parents do and agriculture now is very different. It's a very interdisciplinary pathway. The entire world needs to survive. You need solutions that can be adapted by not just the rich, but also work actors as well.
We need new talent. We need different skill sets than that has previously been. I think what people forget is what a robust society is. Everyone needs to eat, and it seems cliche, but people forget that. So there will always be jobs in this industry, and that's why we need the best and brightest to be here helping us.
So the Agritech program here at the Wyndham Tech School has been really engaging for our students. That whole from seed to shop is really valuable. Understand how food can be produced. Hands-on learning is so vital for our students, and they've done everything from planting seeds and transplanting into the growing areas here. They've also learned not just the practical side, but how things are working in terms of using their design skills to design their own robots to harvest and collect and transport different produce, and creating things using different technologies to really enhance their learning and their engagement.
The layout, the lesson plans, the unit planner, however you want to scope and sequence, whatever teacher talk you want to use, it's just laid out perfectly. I think they loved it. Absolutely loved it. They love the variations of it, from the very beginning of planting the seeds to creating through CAD software, creating the little things that hold their sensors, creating their sensors, doing their marketing, all of that. So the hands-on became practical to them. And that is where education, in my opinion, needs to really go, is that you can move to theory to practice because the kids have the understanding and then they're able to apply it. Working with industry people is always vital. They have the insider knowledge. As a teacher, I can only provide as much. They can give the day-to-day life that really happens because they're in it. Yeah, it's just invaluable for the kids, and the kids saying that and working with somebody. So, yeah.
Well, if I become like a business owner, then the entrepreneurship skills that I've learned here will then help me to do stuff in the future that follow the same kind of path.
Well, Agritech, it teaches people not only how to just like farm crops and stuff, but like future opportunities. So I like that a lot.
In the future, when I ever became a chef in it, and I want to grow basil first, you put a little bit of seeds first, put in these containers. That is how we grow plants like this. Grow like this.
I learned that there are actually smartphones that the crop's grown in. It's grown vertically. I find it very interesting, and I might learn about it in the future.
We're really privileged at Victoria University, being part of the Children's Centre, to have the indoor farm.
We went there last year, and I think the kids were loving it. They had so much fun in the farm, and we bought lots of veggies brought to the centre.
We just could not believe how incredible and high-tech it was. It was a great way for children to be able to see new age farming. In our centre, we have, traditional gardening, and then coming here to see a different ways and, innovative way. It was amazing. And my kids responded really, they were so surprised being able to pick the veggie that's not from the soil. It just overall a wholesome experience for the kids and for us too.
In the tech school, it's a very innovative, very futuristic campus. I like it a lot.